The rainforest of Khao Yai National Park in Thailand is a symphony of life, a lush, vibrant ecosystem teeming with biodiversity. As the first rays of sunlight pierce through the dense canopy, the forest awakens with a chorus of chirps, rustles, and calls. Among the many inhabitants of this verdant paradise, one bird stands out with its striking appearance and fascinating behavior, the oriental pied hornbill. On this particular morning, we are privileged to witness one of nature's most captivating spectacles, an oriental pied hornbill indulging in its morning feast of ripe, juicy fruit. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers. Dewdrops cling to the leaves, glistening like diamonds in the early morning light. The forest floor is a mosaic of shadows and sunlight, with beams of golden light filtering through the towering trees. Somewhere in the distance, the call of a gibbon echoes, while a troop of macaques rustles through the underbrush. High above, the canopy is alive with movement as birds flit from branch to branch, their vibrant plumage adding splashes of color to the green tapestry. It is here, in this magical realm, that we find our star of the morning, a magnificent oriental pied hornbill, with its striking black and white plumage, large curved bill, and unmistakable casque atop its beak. The hornbill is a sight to behold. It perches gracefully on a branch, its keen eyes scanning the surroundings for its favorite breakfast, ripe, succulent fruit. The hornbill's attention is drawn to a cluster of figs, their deep purple hue signaling ripeness. With a swift, deliberate motion, it plucks a fig from the branch, its dexterous bill handling the fruit with precision. The hornbill tilts its head back, tossing the fig into the air before catching it in its mouth. The fruit bursts with flavor, its sweet juices dripping down the bird's beak. The hornbill's eyes seem to gleam with satisfaction as it savors every bite. This is no ordinary meal. It is a ritual, a celebration of nature's abundance. The oriental pied hornbill is not just eating, it is performing a vital role in the rainforest ecosystem. As it consumes the fruit, it also disperses the seeds, ensuring the continued growth and regeneration of the forest. Each bite is a contribution to the cycle of life, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. The hornbill's menu is as diverse as the rainforest itself. In addition to figs, it feasts on a variety of fruits, including berries, drupes, and even the occasional insect or small reptile. Each fruit offers a unique flavor profile, from the tangy sweetness of wild mangoes to the rich, earthy taste of forest guavas. The hornbill's palate is a testament to the rainforest's incredible biodiversity, a living pantry that provides sustenance for countless species. As the hornbill moves from tree to tree, it leaves behind a trail of discarded seeds, each one a potential new beginning. The forest floor becomes a nursery, where these seeds will germinate and grow, supported by the nutrient-rich soil and the dappled sunlight. In this way, The hornbill is not just a consumer, but a caretaker, a guardian of the rainforest's future. There is something profoundly peaceful about watching the oriental pied hornbill in its natural habitat. Its movements are deliberate and graceful, a reflection of its deep connection to the forest. The morning sun bathes the scene in a warm golden glow, highlighting the intricate patterns on the bird's feathers. The sound of its bill cracking open, a fruit, is a reminder of the simple joys of life, the pleasures of nourishment and survival. For the hornbill, this is just another morning in the rainforest, a routine act of feeding and foraging. But for us, it is a glimpse into a world of wonder, a world where every creature plays a role in the grand tapestry of life. The oriental pied hornbill is not just a bird. It is a symbol of the rainforest's resilience and beauty, a living testament to the power of nature. As we watch the hornbill finish its meal and take flight, disappearing into the canopy, we are reminded of the fragility of this ecosystem. The rainforests of Khao Yai, and indeed the entire planet, are under threat from deforestation, climate change, and human encroachment. The oriental pied hornbill, like so many other species, depends on the health of its habitat for survival. By protecting the rainforest, we are not just preserving a habitat, we are safeguarding a way of life, a delicate balance that has existed for millennia. The hornbill's morning feast is a reminder of what is at stake, a world of beauty, diversity, and interconnectedness that must be cherished and protected. As the sun sets over the rainforest, the diurnal creatures retreat to their shelters, and the nocturnal world awakens. The air is filled with the symphony of crickets, frogs, and the occasional call of a nightjar. The forest transforms into a realm of shadows and secrets, where the buffy fish owl emerges as a silent sentinel. This owl is uniquely adapted to its environment, with a range that spans the wetlands, rivers, and dense forests of Southeast Asia, including the lush rainforests of Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. The buffy fish owl's habitat is a complex tapestry of water and trees. It thrives near rivers, streams, and mangroves, where its primary prey, fish, crustaceans, and amphibians, are abundant. Its large, powerful talons and keen eyesight make it a formidable hunter, capable of navigating the challenges of the rainforest night. Surviving in the rainforest is no easy feat, especially for a nocturnal predator. The buffy fish owl has evolved a suite of adaptations that enable it to thrive in this competitive environment. Its mottled brown and buff plumage provides excellent camouflage, allowing it to blend seamlessly into the bark and foliage of trees. This cryptic coloration is essential for avoiding detection by both prey and potential predators. One of the owl's most remarkable features is its large, forward-facing eyes. These eyes are highly sensitive to low light, enabling the owl to see in near-total darkness. Additionally, the buffy fish owl possesses asymmetrical ear openings, which enhance its ability to locate prey through sound. This auditory precision is crucial for hunting in the dense, noisy rainforest, where visibility is often limited. The owl's talons are another key adaptation. Strong and sharp, they are perfectly designed for grasping slippery fish and other aquatic prey. Unlike many other owl species, the buffy fish owl has relatively unfeathered legs, which reduce drag when diving into water. This unique trait underscores its specialization as a piscivorous, fish-eating predator. As night falls, the buffy fish owl begins its hunt. Perched silently on a low branch overhanging a river or stream, it scans the water below with unwavering focus. Its ears twitch at the slightest sound, a splash, a ripple, or the movement of a fish near the surface. When it detects prey, the owl moves with lightning speed, swooping down to snatch its target with precision. The buffy fish owl's hunting strategy is a blend of patience, stealth, and skill. It often hunts from a stationary perch, relying on its keen senses to locate prey. However, it is also capable of wading into shallow water or walking along the riverbank to catch fish, frogs, and crustaceans. This versatility sets it apart from other owl species and highlights its adaptability. One of the most fascinating aspects of the buffy fish owl's hunting behavior is its ability to handle slippery prey. After catching a fish, the owl uses its powerful bill to reposition the prey, ensuring a secure grip before flying back to its perch. It then tears the prey into manageable pieces, consuming it with deliberate efficiency. This process is not just about sustenance, it is a display of the owl's mastery over its environment. The buffy fish owl is more than just a predator. It is an integral part of the rainforest ecosystem. By preying on fish, frogs, and crustaceans, it helps regulate the populations of these species, maintaining a balance that supports the health of the ecosystem. Additionally, the owl's presence is an indicator of the overall health of its habitat. A thriving buffy fish owl population suggests clean water, abundant prey, and a well-preserved forest. The owl also contributes to nutrient cycling within the rainforest. Its droppings, rich in nitrogen and other nutrients, fertilize the soil and promote plant growth. In this way, the buffy fish owl is a vital link in the complex web of life that sustains the rainforest. Despite its adaptability, the buffy fish owl faces numerous challenges in the modern world. Habitat loss due to deforestation, pollution of waterways, and human encroachment are significant threats to its survival. The destruction of mangroves and wetlands, in particular, has a devastating impact on the owl's ability to find food and shelter. Climate change poses an additional threat, altering the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. Changes in rainfall patterns, water temperature, and prey availability can disrupt the owl's hunting success and reproductive cycles. Conservation efforts are essential to protect the buffy fish owl and its habitat, ensuring that this remarkable species continues to thrive for generations to come. The tropical moist montane forests of northern Thailand are a world unto themselves. Towering trees draped in moss and epiphytes rise from the earth, their canopies forming a dense green roof that filters the sunlight into a dappled glow. The air is cool and moist, carrying the earthy scent of decaying leaves and the sweet fragrance of blooming orchids. Streams trickle down the hillsides, their clear waters nourishing the forest and its inhabitants. As the first light of dawn breaks through the mist, the forest awakens. The calls of gibbons and hornbills echo through the trees, while butterflies and dragonflies flit among the undergrowth. It is here, on the forest floor, that the blue-naped pitta begins her daily routine. Her presence is a reminder of the forest's hidden treasures, a testament to the beauty and complexity of life in this unique habitat. The blue-naped pitta is a medium-sized bird, measuring about 18 to 20 centimeters in length. Its plumage is a breathtaking mosaic of colors, a deep cobalt blue nape, a rich chestnut crown, and a vibrant green back. The underparts are a soft buff color, streaked with delicate black markings. The female, though slightly less vivid than the male, is no less stunning, with her subtle hues and intricate patterns. This bird is a member of the Pittidae family, known for their bright colors and ground-dwelling habits. Despite their striking appearance, pittas are notoriously shy and elusive, often heard more than seen. Their presence is a gift, a fleeting glimpse of nature's artistry. As the sun rises, the female blue-naped pitta hops delicately across the forest floor, her movements quick and precise. She is searching for food, her keen eyes scanning the leaf litter for insects, worms, and other small invertebrates. Her long legs and strong feet are perfectly adapted for this task, allowing her to scratch and dig through the soil with ease. The forest floor is a treasure trove of life, teeming with creatures that form the base of the ecosystem's food web. The pitta's diet includes beetles, ants, spiders, and even small snails. Each morsel she finds is a vital source of energy, fueling her daily activities and, during the breeding season, her efforts to raise the next generation. The pitta's foraging technique is a blend of patience and agility. She pauses frequently, tilting her head to listen for the faint rustle of prey. When she detects movement, she strikes with lightning speed, her bill snapping up the unsuspecting creature. Her efficiency is a testament to the evolutionary adaptations that have made her a successful inhabitant of the forest floor. Despite her vibrant colors, the blue-naped pitta is remarkably well camouflaged in the dappled light of the forest. Her plumage blends seamlessly with the fallen leaves, moss-covered rocks, and patches of sunlight. This camouflage is essential for avoiding predators, which include snakes, monitor lizards, and larger birds of prey. The pitta's survival depends on her ability to remain hidden and alert. When threatened, she freezes in place, relying on her colors to conceal her. If the danger persists, she may emit a sharp alarm call before darting into the underbrush. Her agility and quick reflexes are her greatest defenses, allowing her to navigate the forest floor with confidence. The blue-naped pitta is more than just a beautiful bird. It is an integral part of the forest ecosystem. By feeding on insects and other invertebrates, it helps regulate their populations, maintaining a balance that supports the health of the forest. Additionally, the pitta's foraging behavior contributes to nutrient cycling, as it disturbs the leaf litter and aerates the soil. The presence of the blue-naped pitta is also an indicator of the forest's overall health. This species is highly sensitive to habitat disturbance, and its presence suggests a well-preserved, biodiverse ecosystem. Protecting the pitta and its habitat is essential for ensuring the survival of countless other species that call the forest home. The green broadbill, with its vibrant emerald plumage and distinctive broad bill, is a jewel of the canopy. Its smaller cousin, the dusky broadbill, is less colorful but no less fascinating, with its dusky gray-brown feathers and large, expressive eyes. Both species are insectivores, relying on the rainforest's abundant insect life for their survival. Their daily routines are a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of nature. The male green broadbill is a sight to behold. Its brilliant green plumage blends seamlessly with the leaves, making it nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. Its most striking feature is its broad, flattened bill, which gives the bird its name. This unique bill is perfectly adapted for catching insects on the wing, a skill that is essential for the green broadbill's survival. Each morning, as the sun rises and the forest awakens, the male green broadbill begins his daily hunt. He perches quietly on a branch, his keen eyes scanning the surrounding foliage for movement. When he spots an insect, he launches himself into the air with a burst of speed, snatching the prey in mid-flight. His agility and precision are remarkable, a testament to the evolutionary adaptations that have made him a master of the canopy. The green broadbill's diet consists primarily of insects, including beetles, moths, and caterpillars. He also supplements his diet with small fruits and berries, which provide essential nutrients. His foraging behavior is not just about survival, it is also a vital part of the rainforest ecosystem. By controlling insect populations, the green broadbill helps maintain the balance of the forest, ensuring the health of the trees and other plants. While the green broadbill is a flash of color, the dusky broadbill is a study in subtlety. Its muted plumage allows it to blend into the shadows of the canopy, where it hunts for insects with quiet efficiency. The dusky broadbill is a social bird, often seen in small flocks that work together to locate food and protect their territory. The dusky broadbill's hunting strategy is different from that of the green broadbill. Rather than catching insects in mid-air, it prefers to glean them from the leaves and branches. It moves methodically through the canopy, using its sharp eyes and nimble feet to search for prey. When it finds an insect, it uses its strong bill to pluck it from the foliage, often consuming it in a single gulp. Like the green broadbill, the dusky broadbill plays a crucial role in the rainforest ecosystem. Its diet of insects helps control pest populations, while its foraging behavior contributes to the dispersal of seeds and the cycling of nutrients. The dusky broadbill is a reminder that even the most unassuming creatures can have a profound impact on their environment. Life in the rainforest canopy is not without its challenges. Both the green broadbill and dusky broadbill must contend with predators, competition for resources, and the ever-present threat of habitat loss. Their survival depends on a combination of physical adaptations, behavioral strategies, and a bit of luck. One of the most important adaptations of these birds is their camouflage. The green broadbill's bright green plumage may seem conspicuous, but in the dappled light of the canopy, it is remarkably effective at blending in. The dusky broadbill's muted colors allow it to disappear into the shadows, making it difficult for predators to spot. Both species are also highly agile, able to navigate the dense foliage with ease. Their strong legs and feet allow them to perch securely on branches, while their wings are adapted for quick, precise movements. These physical traits are essential for catching insects and avoiding predators. Behaviorally, both birds are cautious and alert. They rely on their keen senses to detect danger and respond quickly to threats. The dusky broadbill's social nature also provides an added layer of protection, as flock members can alert each other to potential dangers. The green broadbill and dusky broadbill are more than just beautiful birds. They are vital components of the rainforest ecosystem. By feeding on insects, they help regulate populations of potential pests, ensuring the health of the forest. Their foraging behavior also contributes to the dispersal of seeds, promoting the growth of new plants and maintaining the forest's biodiversity. In addition, the presence of these birds is an indicator of the overall health of the rainforest. Broadbills are sensitive to habitat disturbance, and their presence suggests a well-preserved, biodiverse ecosystem. Protecting these birds and their habitat is essential for ensuring the survival of countless other species that call the rainforest home.